All right, you guys, next up, we've got break number 7 of our Super Break Supercharged Multisport. This is Series 1 from 2023. You got 3 guaranteed items per box. Could be more than that. They guarantee at least 1 buyback card. And a chance to pull game-used memorabilia, signed items. You've got sealed wax, complete sets, ton of big names, Michael Jordan autos. You've got Mickey Mantle autos. Some crazy stuff, not just even in the sports world, but in the world of entertainment, presidents, everything. So it should be a fun break. This is break number 7. Every spot in the break gives you 2 random letters of the first name. So that's how we're doing this one. So 10, we're only using 20 first name letters, so 10 spots altogether. So Donnie, you've got 1 spot in this. Rick's got 3. Jason with 2, Michael K with 2, Todd with 1, and Brent closed us out with the last spot. All right, so let's go ahead and randomize our last name letters. Yeah, Brett, just let me know what you want to do, man. No problem. All right, guys, here we go. Good luck. We'll randomize this 5 times. All right, so 2 first name letters per spot. Let's randomize this 5 times. Guys, if we end up pulling an item that's got more than 10 signatures, we'll automatically randomize it with everybody in the break. If we pull a box of cards, sealed wax that has multiple packs, then that'll automatically be random sealed. Complete set, obviously, is going to be randomized, anything like that. So here we go, guys. Brent, you've got first name letters Y and W. Donnie's got A and G. Jason with H, B, F, and S. Michael, you've got C, K, O, and D. Rick's got M, V, N, J, L, and P. And then Todd, you've got R and T. All right, guys, so break number 7. Can't get this basketball game to stay put. I think we're on our, I think this is maybe we got 1 more case after this. Have to go back and look and see. Oh, we got something. All right, maybe a big hit. It's like maybe some kind of redemption item or something. Let's go. All right, so 3 items in the box. Got a Super Break Super Doubles. All right, then we got a Super Break Pieces of the Past one-time edition. So we'll open both of those. In fact, let's go ahead and do that now. So you got, these are Pieces of the Past has 1 card in it. Super Doubles has 2. All right, man, got a jumbo relic of the Titanic. That's a cool one there. So that one will be T, which will be Todd. Jumbo relic of the Titanic. Original documents. So I guess I would assume somebody that got off the Titanic, not that didn't. They didn't fish that sucker off the bottom. Cool hit there. So Todd, you got that one. You never know what you're going to pull out of some of these boxes. All right, 2 hits in this one. First up, you got a Shaq 2019-20 Prism with a 95-96 game used. Somehow it says Orlando Magic, but that looks purple. Maybe it looks like a Lakers jersey. But regardless, that's going to be first name letter S, which will be Jason. And then the other one, oh, here's a cool one here. 2009 Topps Chrome Refractor, Tim Duncan in a PSA 9. Number to 500. So first name letter T, that'll be another one for Todd. It's a cool hit. All right, guys. See what this is. Oh, sweet. It's going to be a redemption item of a Pele signed 16x20 photo. Check that out. Dude, that is awesome. First name letter P, Rick. That one is coming to you, man. That's a sweet hit. Really cool hit on the Pele. And he just passed away too, so I'm sure those items are worth a little bit more. All right, so cool way to end Super Break, break number 7. So we'll get those items in the mail tomorrow, and we'll load up another one, do another one here coming up next Monday.